Hey guys, and welcome to my guitar course. Firstly, a massive heartfelt thanks for you taking the time to actually check out this course and for letting me be your guide in getting into this lead guitar playing for the first time. Now in this course we're going to be looking at all the basics you're going to need to create really melodic and interesting guitar solos and improvisations. We're going to look at the basics of actually playing hammer-ons, pull-offs and bending. We're going to look at scales, triads and arpeggios. We're going to look at techniques that we can put together in linking the shapes and knowledge all over the fretboard. But most importantly, we're also going to look at the basic theory behind all of those techniques that allows us to understand why we use these things for our lead guitar solos. Now on top of that, in every single video there's also going to be visual diagrams on the fretboard for you guys to follow. So everything that I'm doing and explaining in the lessons, you're going to be able to follow along with a little play along diagram to show you what I'm doing. You don't need to read sheet music and you won't need to read tab to get through this. It's going to be a visual play along, so hopefully that's going to keep you guys excited to keep learning. As always as well, every video that has a main topic will have a supplementary video that you'll be able to take away from the lesson after we've done all the activities and continually look at the diagram and have visual activities and backing tracks to play along to really keep your guitar playing soaring. But anyway, enough talk, grab your guitar, tune up and let's get into it. See you soon.